Most have probably seen this before, but even if it's a first, you can get a pretty good idea of how it works just by looking at it. It's pretty simple. We have a horizontal axis, which is called the X, and we have a vertical axis, which is called the Y. So if I want to give you a location in this plane, I have to give you two things. I have to give you a horizontal location, an X, and I have to give you a vertical location, a Y. And these two things make a point or an ordered pair. It's the same thing. And it's really easiest explained by just going ahead and using it. So we'll pick a point, say here. So if I want to describe this location to you on this plane, I have to give you two things again. I have to give you its horizontal location. We can go ahead and find that out. Start here at the middle. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. And I have to give you a vertical location. 1. So 1. So this point is 3, 1. And we'll go ahead and do a few more points just to make sure the point sinks in. We'll do 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 and 0, 5. So let's go ahead and start with the top one here. So we'll go over, always start at the center, the origin. It's called the origin. It doesn't really matter what it's called. It's not really that important, but you'll hear some people sometimes reference it. It's 0, 0 in case you didn't know. So I thought I should probably mention that. This is the origin. It's where the plane originates from. So let's go ahead and graph that first point. Start here at the origin, go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's it right there. We'll do the second one. Start at the origin, minus 2, 1, 2, down 2, 1, 2. And we'll do the last one, 0, so 0x, start at 0, and then 5y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all there is to it, really. It's not really complicated. The only thing you'll probably want to look out for, especially if you've been away from math for a while or don't have much experience, is just making sure about the minus signs, really. Those were what caused most wrong answers in beginning algebra, so definitely double check that. It might seem like it's something very insignificant, but say if you work for NASA, that could really be the difference between a rocket landing on the moon and a rocket, I don't know, landing on a puppy and kitty store. So unless you want that kind of mistake on your conscience, double check your work.